How can you identify a truck engine rod knock? Imagine hearing a deep, rhythmic tapping coming from your truck's engine while you're driving. It might sound like someone tapping a metal rod with a hammer. That noise could be a sign of a rod knock. A truck engine rod knock is a loud, metallic knocking or slapping sound that comes from the lower part of the engine, near the crankshaft where the connecting rods attach. It usually gets louder as you increase engine speed or load. When you accelerate or climb hills, the noise often intensifies. Unlike lighter ticking sounds from valves or lifters, rod knock feels heavier and more pronounced. It often sounds like a rapid, metallic knocking that continues even when the engine is idling. One way to tell if you have a rod knock is to listen carefully. If the knocking noise speeds up with engine RPMs and gets louder under load, it's a strong clue. When you press the accelerator, the noise should become more noticeable. If you ease off the throttle and the knocking diminishes slightly, that's another sign. You might also notice fluctuations in your oil pressure gauge. Worn or damaged connecting rod bearings cause increased clearance between the bearing and the crankshaft, which can lead to lower or fluctuating oil pressure. Check your oil levels regularly. If you see oil dropping faster than usual or find metal shavings in the oil when you change it, that could be a sign of bearing wear. Sometimes, the exhaust might emit blue or gray smoke because oil is burning in the combustion chamber, which is another warning sign. To be certain, mechanics often remove the oil pan to inspect the connecting rods and bearings. They might shake the rods to see if there is excessive looseness or play, confirming worn bearings. Besides noise and oil signs, a truck with rod knock may also feel sluggish or misfire. You might experience rough engine performance or even stalling if the damage worsens. Early detection is key because ignoring rod knock can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Regular oil changes and monitoring oil pressure can help prevent bearing wear. If you suspect a rod knock, it's best to have a mechanic inspect your engine promptly. Repairing worn bearings early can save you from costly engine rebuilds or replacements later on. In essence, listening for a heavy, metallic knocking that speeds up with engine RPMs, watching for oil pressure issues, and inspecting oil and exhaust signs are your best clues. Confirming with a physical inspection of the connecting rods and bearings will give you the full picture. Recognizing these signs early can help you keep your truck running smoothly and avoid major engine problems down the road.